friends, in this video we will see how to create an organization in Azure DevOps. To before create an organization in Azure DevOps, let's understand what is an organization. So the organization in Azure DevOps is a mechanism for organizing and connecting groups of related projects. So suppose you have a company with the below business units like marketing, engineering, sales, right? So each business unit having its different teams, different business process, and then different reports, right? So each business unit within your company get its own organization, and you can set up a project within those individual organization based on the teams or ongoing works. So when you create an organization, make sure it should be unique because this name will be used in your organization URL. So here you can see the URL is like https colon double slash dev.azure.com slash, and then this is your organization name. So to leverage Azure DevOps services, you must have at least one organization in Azure DevOps, and each project must belong to the any organization. So you can create a more than one organization in Azure DevOps based on your requirement or based on your business. And when you create an organization, you will get its own free tier of services up to 5 users for each service. You will get Azure pipeline, one Microsoft hosted and one self-hosted job. In terms of Azure boards, work item tracking and Kanban board, then unlimited private Git repos. In terms of Azure artifact, you will get 2 GB free per organization. So each organization have its role-based access control, allowing administrator to manage a permission and controls. Organization has its own billing and licensing settings. Uh, Resources such as a build agent, pipeline, artifact, and service connections are generally shared across a project within the particular organization. So administrator user can configure various organizational settings such as security policies, notification, and extensions. Organization can be integrated with other Microsoft services and tools like Azure and Azure AD, etc. So let's go to the Azure DevOps and create an organization. Okay, so right now I am here in my Azure DevOps account, and here you can see we have this default organization created right while we sign up in Azure DevOps. So here it is asking to create a project, but we'll see this project in a coming video. So now let's click on the organization. Click on the new organization. Click on continue. So you can keep this name, or you can change it to something else. But I'm keeping as it is. So here you can select the region to host your project. Basically, it is a list of data center where all your organization data will be stored. So I will keep it in the South India. Then type the text in the. Okay, so we have a new organization created in our DevOps, right? So if you see in the URL, right, uh, this is the dev.azure.com slash and then your organization, right? And for the new organization, you can see dev.azure.com and then slash learning by Ganesh 0472, right? So basically, this organization name will be appearing inside your URL. So if you click on the organization settings, you can see the overview. So under overview, you can change your organization name, description, the time zone, right now it is UTC. You can change it to your local time zone. Then the region, so region will not be changed once the organization is created. Then you can change the organization owner. Right now there is only one user, right, in the under organization. But if you want to change it to another user, you can change it. If you click on the projects, right now there is no any project created under this organization, so that is why it is blank here. But if you create the projects, then those all the project will show here. Then right now we just have, I think, one users in this organization. So you can see, this is only one user. You can add you can add another user from here. If you click on the billings, it will show you the details about your plan. I mean, what plan you are using with this Azure DevOps, right? So you can see it is a free trial with basic 5 users. Right? Then there is a global notification, so you can change the notification setting here. Basically, this notification will trigger based on the build completes, right? Then the code, like pull request, remove, reviewer added or removed, pull request completion or failure, pull request changes. Then the some extension have been modified or updated. And then pipeline, right? So the run stage waiting, when you run the pipeline, then it will notify you to notify for the approval, right? So we'll check those letters. Then the users, this will show the reports, right? The users report, right? What the users, what what I mean, it will show the users report of the organization. If you click on the extension, so if you this will show you the list of installed third-party extensions from the marketplace. So if you click on the browse, right, so it will redirect you to the marketplace, and you can, if you want to integrate with any third-party tool, you can click and install that extensions in Azure DevOps. So right now we don't have any extensions, and here you can connect your Azure Active Directory. So if you want to connect your Azure DevOps account with the Azure Active Directory, you can connect from here. That will check later. You can apply some security related policy. Then if you click on the permissions, you can see these are the default groups created with this organization. You can also create a new groups. Then there is a process, right? Using this process, you can start your item tracking, right? So again, there is uh, some other settings that you can manage that we will check later. So yeah, I think that is all about the organization. In the coming video, we'll see how to create the project and what are the features available in the projects. So thanks for watching.